The 1965 Pontiac Vivant 77 prototype is a rare and remarkable creation, conceived by Herb Adams, an innovative engineer at Pontiac and the mastermind behind legendary performance projects like the Trans Am, GTO Judge, and Super Duty 455 engine. Built outside the boundaries of corporate influence, the Vivant 77 stands as Adams' personal experiment in performance, design, and craftsmanship. The project began as a 1/12 scale wooden model carved by Adams in his Michigan studio. The car's design drew inspiration from the Franco Scaglione-designed Alfa Romeo BAT concept cars, celebrated for their futuristic lines and aerodynamic flair. However, Adams blended those European influences with Pontiac's signature styling cues, giving the Vivant a distinct American identity. The foundation of the Vivant 77 was a bespoke multi-tube space frame chassis, engineered from scratch to support advanced suspension systems. Adams installed a 4-link torsion bar setup in the front and a 3-link rear suspension with progressive coilover dampers, uncommon technology for the mid-1960s. The handcrafted aluminum body was shaped by 3 former Rolls-Royce panel beaters, known locally as the Beetles of Troy. Using the wooden model as a buck, they sculpted the curvaceous body panels entirely by hand. Powering the Vivant was a 370 cubic inch V8 engine, a one-off performance unit assembled with high-performance Pontiac Super Duty parts. The engine, rumored to be built by NASCAR builder Ray Nichols, produced around 405 horsepower and was acquired for just $75. This setup allowed the Vivant to combine sleek aesthetics with serious performance credentials. Debuting at the 1966 Detroit Autorama, the Vivant received widespread acclaim for its innovative engineering and styling. Adams retained the car for over a decade before parting with it to fund other racing ventures. For decades, the Vivant disappeared, its whereabouts unknown until 2009, when car hunters rediscovered it in unrestored condition. Dr. Mark Brinker, a noted collector, acquired the car and commissioned a full 4,000-hour restoration by Gem Motorworks. Herb Adams himself contributed to the process, ensuring accuracy. Restored to its original Nassau blue finish, the Vivant 77 reappeared at the 2017 Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance, where it won first in class in the American Dream Cars of the 1960s category. Today, the 1965 Pontiac Vivant 77 prototype is recognized as a one-of-a-kind masterpiece that captures the spirit of mid-century innovation. It remains a testament to Herb Adams' bold vision, engineering brilliance, and refusal to settle for convention.